Hello and welcome back to Fan Screens. In today's video, we'll talk about the 14 new car gadgets you should buy. Simply sit back and enjoy watching. Lanmodo Vast Pro. If you are not comfortable driving at night or must pass through dark, quiet areas on a regular basis, having a night vision device would be beneficial. Of course, you have the high beam, but it doesn't always feel like it reaches a head far enough to provide you with peace of mind. In that case, the Lanmodo Vast Pro might be the device you're looking for. It's a dash camera with a night vision range of up to 300 meters. The camera itself, a 12-volt port power plug and an OBD adapter, a base mount and a suction cup, and also a screwdriver are all included in the box. If you purchase it with the additional rear camera, you should receive the camera as well as the connecting cable. Lanmodo Vast Pro's 5-megapixel camera uses a Sony CMOS sensor to reproduce 1080p solution videos. Aside from night visions, the Vast Pro has loop recording, G-sensor detection, and parking mode. The memory card has a capacity of 28 hours of footage or 14 hours with rear camera. AUTO-VOX TW1. The AUTO-VOX TW1 is a truly wireless backup camera system with an optional solar panel unit. Unlike the most backup camera systems you've seen before, the package includes two main components, the camera and the monitor, as well as the necessary accessories such as a mounting bracket, a 12-volt power cable, a USB cable, and a suction cup. The 115-degree wide-angle camera has a cylindrical housing and a 3,350 mAh battery built in. The enclosure is rated IP68 and the monitor is a rather small 5-inch LCD with a 720p resolution. The monitor connects to the car's power outlet and is best positioned on the dashboard for maximum visibility of the driver. The simplicity of the AUTO-VOX TW1 is one of the best features. You are essentially finished once you install the camera on a back at your car, usually above or below the license plate. Wireless video feed is sent from the camera to the monitor. Unless you want to remove the installation for every battery recharge, a solar charger unit is required. Before using the camera for the first time, it must be charged for several hours by a USB port. Vantrue N4. A standard recording device attached to the widescreen and rear window would not suffice for the most serious dashcam users. It is necessary to have a high-definition device that can deliver live footages from all directions. This is where the Vantrue N4 comes into play. Unlike most dashcams, the N4 occupies a niche market category of 3-channel audio-video recording device for a car. Its two-piece set includes 3 cameras, front, inside, and rear. Depending on their purpose, each of them has a different viewing angle. The front camera records 1440p video and a viewing angle of 155 degrees, while the rear camera records 1080p at a viewing angle of 160 degrees. The inside unit is 1080p resolution footage, covers the target viewing angle of 165 degrees. Video quality improves to 1520p when only the front camera is used. More than clear enough for license plate capture, True N4 is then powered by a supercapacitor rather than a traditional lithium batteries, making it suitable for temperatures ranging from 14 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Memory capacity can be increased to 256 gigabytes. UTRAI Jump Starter Jstar 3. The Jstar 3 UTRAI is a dependable vehicle jump starter with 20,000 mAh large capacity battery that is suitable for up to 7.0-liter gasoline engines or 6.5-liter diesel engines. Battery capacity is not the most important specification to consider when purchasing a jump starter. motor. The most important factor is how much power the device can provide in an instant, such as when used to jumpstart a car. Jstar 3 can deliver 1,600 MP current, sufficient and safe to start the majority of 12-volt vehicles. It includes built-in safeguards to protect against electrical hazards such as overcurrent, reverse polarity, overvoltage, low voltage, short circuit, overload, overcharge, and overheating. The Jstar 3 requires such a large capacity because it also serves as a power bank with 2 USB output ports and 3 flashlight modes. Digital side view monitors. In 2018, Lexus Toyota's luxury division introduced the world's first digital side view monitors. These monitors, like their traditional counterparts, provide views of the car's rear, left, and right sides. They are all digital as opposed to a traditional pair of mirrors. The system works by replacing traditional side view mirrors with cameras. When the driver engages the reverse gear or uses the turn indicators, the camera automatically provides an extended view, eliminating blind spots and assisting the driver in making safer maneuvers. Visibility at night is also significantly improved when compared to traditional mirrors. Nexar Beam GPS Dash Camera. First and foremost, the Beam is a small camera housed in a square black box. The sensor inside is known as a Galaxy Core GC2053. Although it is not the most recognizable, it does the job. The resolution is excellent in 1080p and the capture angle is 135 degrees. On the left side of the black box, there is a power button and a micro SD card slot. On the top, there are suction cup slots and a mini USB jack. You connect the entire unit to the car's 12-volt power outlet from the GPS unit. The Beam GPS dashcam does not have a monitor. Instead, it records and saves footage directly to the micro SD card. When the camera is connected to the smartphone via a Nexar app, the footage is saved to the phone and automatically uploaded to the cloud storage at no extra charge. MAXTRAX XTREME. It is common knowledge that if your tire sinks deep into a hole, accelerating faster will only dig a deeper hole. When you notice the wheels slipping but the vehicle isn't moving, it's much better to simply pause, get out of the car, and dig yourself out the proper way. The most useful tools for getting your vehicle unstuck are simple items like a pair of work gloves and a shovel. If you want to spend a little more money, MAXTRAX XTREME boards are highly recommended. When flipped upside down, each board measures 890 by 270 millimeters and can be used as a shovel. Place a MAXTRAX in front of your tire in the direction of the car is traveling and gradually accelerate. If necessary, use a board for each tire. MagicMount Charge3. Smartphone mounts appear to be hot commodities in car gadgets markets these days. Many brands have released various versions of what is essentially a simple product. Some aspects such as charging ability, suction cup design, swiveling design, and so on differ from one another. Scotch, a consumer technology company based on California, is breaking new ground with its latest iteration of MagicMount product. MagicMount Charge3 is simply marketed such as it is a noteworthy features, UI charging technology, and a creative magnetic swiveling mount design. Without touching the induction charger, your smartphone is held in place backwards, facing a strong yet device-safe neodymium magnet. This means that there is a space between the mount and the phone that allows the airflow. Magnetic arms rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to position your phone in landscape, portrait, or any position in between. It has a charging capacity of up to 10 watts and is capable with a QI-enabled devices including those from Apple, Google, and Samsung. Despite the fact that charging is done wirelessly, the amount must be done and must be connected to a standard 12-volt power adapter. Lanmodo Pro 4-Season Automatic Car Tent. For many people, a car is the ideal mode of transportation because it is personal, private, lightweight, and weatherproof. Whether it's raining, snowing, or scorching hot outside, being inside the car keeps you comfortable while on the road. Lanmodo has a proposed that the idea of the cartoon requires its own protection, hence the four-season car tent. A powerful suction cup holds to the roof of your car. When fully extended, the Lanmodo Pro automatic tent measures 480 centimeters long and 235 centimeters wide, making it large enough to cover a large SUV. When packed, the tent measures only 85 by 23 centimeters, making it small enough to fit in your trunk or backpack. The term automatic refers to how the tent vibrates on a regular basis during snowfall to keep itself clean. Lanmodo even provides additional accessories to turn the tent into a shelter for outdoor activities if you purchase the all-in-one version. Samsung Safety Truck. There will be times when you will be stuck behind semi-trailers regardless of how fast you are driving. You can't see what's ahead of you and you're moving at a snail's pace. You can't help but want to pass the truck ahead of you. However, the uncertainty of the impending truck and traffic causes you to be indecisive. There is a solution, or more specifically, Samsung has the solution. A safety truck prototype video system that has been tested and proven to work properly. The system makes use of camera mounted as to the front of the large truck to capture images of the road ahead of the vehicle. YAK132 Pneumatic Jack. Most jacks are hydraulic, but the YAK132 is not. Instead of using hydraulic fluid, the jack makes use of something that is more abundant: air. It includes a limit stop device and a safety valve to ensure that the equipment does what it is supposed to do without engaging anyone. Despite its simplicity and compact design, the YAK132 has a maximum weight capacity of 3.2 tons, making it suitable for any small passenger car. There is only one potential issue: you must have an air pump on hand in order to use the jack. AUTO-Escape. An emergency kit is similar to auto insurance in that you can purchase it but never want to be in a situation where you need to use it. You'll be glad if you need it when you need it in an unexpected situation. One such device is the vehicle-mounted auto-escape flashlight. It's unlucky that you'll ever be trapped in a sinking car or locked in during an emergency situation. If you were, you'd want to have something readily available to you to help you escape whatever perilous situation was lurking around the corner. The auto-escape flashlight includes 3 survival tools: a hard carbon steel seat belt cutter, a steel ball window punch, and of course a flashlight. To withstand harsh environment, all of these wrapped in military-grade aluminum casing. The flashlight also includes a bracket and can be attached anywhere in the vehicle for easy access. Cyber Clean Car. There have been many unusual gadgets over the years, but none as strange as the Cyber Clean. While most gadgets are focused on navigation, cameras, security, RGB, LEDs, and other high-tech features, the Cyber Clean Car is focused solely on cleanliness. Keep in mind that the Cyber Clean is only for interior use. It has a slime-like texture to it. That is, it can conform to any shape and surface textures. Cyber Clean will get into tight corners between buttons, as well as nearly every small gap in the dashboard, center console, and even the seats. When pressed against a surface, the material absorbs dirt, dust, and germs while leaving no residue, moisture, or glossy effect. According to the company, the Cyber Clean Car is made of non-toxic biodegradable materials. It can be used several times before needing to be replaced.